how to find a water leak in a basement. That'll show you how. All right, so here we are. We're actually directly below the garage. The street is about 10 feet from this wall here. And the customer's stating that when it rains, water's coming out this corner right here. So the first thing you always want to try to do is open up the area to see where that water is migrating in. So what we've done is we've added protection to the flooring as well as a bag. So as we cut, the material will go into here along with the HVAC. So let's go ahead and show you how we open up a wall without getting dusted. All right, now we've got complete access. All right, folks, so another tip is a bright flashlight. And the reason why is because you'll be able to catch any water seepage through wood. So a good flashlight is very helpful when you're performing these types of leaks. All right, folks, so now that we've got those holes opened up down below, this is what we're dealing with directly above that basement area. So we got a staircase here, as well as a water meter, and then several cracks, as well as more cracks out here where the street is. So what we're going to do is obviously start at the lowest point and then just kind of work our way up till we get to this area right here. All right, folks, well, I've seen some YouTube videos where they use the water hose, but no, I'm going to show you a better way. All right, folks, so this is my favorite nozzle when you're trying to find a leak going into your basement. The reason why, this puts out a very high pressure spray. And what we're going to do is find these cracks first. We're going to inject the water into that. It's a big, big difference from just running your typical garden hose. So something like this you can get at your local hardware store. Great, great tool. Helps you find the leaks much faster. So far, nothing from that side wall where the staircase is. So let's go ahead and go up further where the top of the staircase is. There's a crack, so we'll start pushing water there. All right, folks, so we've confirmed there's nothing leaking here, so we've now come further up, injecting in this crack here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead now and move towards the meter box here. So you can see we've ruled out the water meter box. It's actually holding water, so it's a good sign that there's no water traveling down into that basement area. So if you're doing this by yourself, you could tape down your nozzle, whether it's on the ground or on a wall. In this case, we're using the fence, obviously, to hit this crack here. It allows you to kind of go back and forth to check to see if the water is coming down in the basement. All right, folks, starting to get some water here. And let me go show you right where it's coming from. All right, folks, well, we found the leak. It's actually water migrating through this little planter bed down underneath into the basement area. Well, folks, hopefully this helped give you some tips and pointers on how to find that leak coming into your basement. As always, thanks for watching. And can you go ahead and hit that subscribe button?